Hi everyone, I hope you're doing okay. So once again I'm back with another unboxing video regarding Holybro product, another Holybro product. This is one of the very cool ones, as we call it Pixhawk 6X. So as you can see, packaging is same as previous products, a bit have changed. Today I'll be going through unboxing this one, which also has come with one cool Raspberry Pi 4 compute module. So we can say this is one of the coolest flight controllers from Holybro, which has brought ability for you to have your companion computer with the latest V6X standard Pixhawk. So let's go through the unboxing. For this guy, I will first go through this Raspberry Pi 4 module, the one they have sent me. I guess this is through the website, could be customized. So this doesn't have much of details to discuss about. This is a normal Raspberry Pi 4 compute module. So I will not focus on this guy. I will put it away. On the other hand, the other one, I have already unboxed it before, so I will just open it up and we will see what's inside. There, for sure, for you, if you have it for the first time, there's a seal here, which I have cut it myself. I was in a hurry, I couldn't stand it. So inside the box, we have the Pixhawk 6X that I will go through it later on. And for sure all the necessary accessories and cables which we are looking for. These are indeed some connection cables that we're always struggling on having them, especially Ethernet cables. I will show them one by one later on. And I have one converter, and later on I will go on this one. I will jump into that. One USB-C to USB-A cable, and here, let's see what I have. Oh, okay, I have also power module here. As many times there were many comments or objections regarding a complete power module. This is the complete one you might be looking for. Why, I will let you know later on. And some cool stickers, as you can see, Pixhawk, Holybro, and Pix4 stickers. Okay, let me put this aside and go with opening what we have inside each of these guys. Let's first jump into Pixhawk itself, and if it comes out, it's a bit huge. Yes, if it is clear on the camera, yes, you have one Pixhawk 6X here, and underneath this boxing here, I assume that you will be mounting your Raspberry Pi CM4. On top of it, we have a heatsink and also a fan, definitely, and everything is designed such that you are as much convenient as possible when you are working with such setup. Let's go through the ports. On one side, on top, we can see that we have GPS 1 and GPS 2. We have I/O and analog digital, and we have DSM connection. On the other side, you can see, if I can show it correctly here, yes. You can see we have a switch to switch between internal MMC for the storage or Raspberry Pi storage, and UART, HDMI, and two CM4 hosts, which are actually Raspberry Pi 4 hosts. It has two outputs. These have come here already. On the other hand, I have a camera connection, and besides I have CM4 Ethernet direct access itself, flight controller direct access, CM4 slave port, and flight controller direct access with the USB as we had before. This is just the power to run the fan. On here, let's see what we have on this side. On top side, we have two powers. Okay, and then we have IO debug and FMU debug. These are as before, not much of a change. This is like what is included within the standard. And down here I have my IO and FMU outputs, if it can be seen clearly. And underneath those I can see that I have my telemetry 1 and 3, then I2C connection, and then CAN 1 and 2. The telemetry 2 is internally connected, in case you're asking, since we are connecting this CM4 to Pixhawk, and we need to have a direct connection between these two. So that is already connected inside for more of a convenience. All right, that was really nice one, really cool products. It's been a long time that drone industry, even hobbyists or researchers or even companies were looking for a package that contains companion computer in addition to a flight controller together as a module. So let's jump into the next package, which we have all the necessary cables, I assume. These are two important cables. It is already coming with Pixhawk itself. One side I have the Ethernet connection for CM4 host directly, and the other one I have connection for 6x Ethernet connection itself, in case I want to be having direct access to each one separately. All right, then the next I have, let's see what we have inside. With the rest of the cables we're already familiar, like telemetry, and let me get rid of these and bring these cables here. Okay, so I have the servo connector. These are some standard cables as before that we had. On this one I have, yes, my SPI connector here, and some conversion connectors for debugging, and the rest, yes, power connectors. And this one is really important in case you are planning to connect Pixhawk and CM4 directly with each other. So you will remove these cables and you can use this one. Click there so that you can, in addition to being connected with serial, you can also be connected through Ethernet. All right, it was really needed before, and they have all included this into the package. Regarding the pricing, it is also coming with an affordable price, considering the fact that all of these products are included, and you will have this ready for user. The next package I could be opening here. Yes, I have USB-C connector as well, so for this we are fine, mature enough, thanks to Holybro. I'll get rid of this and I will bring all of these here. Okay, and for the power module board, let me have it, because there were many previous comments on that, like there must be some corrections on it. So now we have the connections for power here, also to power flight controller, power the Raspberry Pi itself, and as requested before, we have outputs to power external devices. So now we have 5 volts outputs here as well, and these connectors, if you have already purchased X500 version 2 frame kit, you can use these ones. If not, if you have your specific ESCs you want to be connected, you can solder them on these corners. So yes, these are the improvements on the power module, and I think what I remember, according to these holes, you can just mount them directly on your X500 V2. All right, that's all. This is all on hardware side. This is also a cable I mentioned, USB-C to USB-A. And I hope Holybro next time they put USB-C to USB-C as well for those who are on different environments. And here yes, I forgot this one. We have a converter here which your cap outputs and your analog digital controllers could also be connected through this one in case you need to expand it. Normally we have the motor connections as like servo connectors, so you can connect them directly. And unlike the previous versions, like on Pixhawk 4 for instance, you needed a converter on hardware. This one can be directly connected. All right, thank you very much. And the next I can jump into setting this up, and I will go through the screw. Next up I will go through the opening this case, and I will mount the module here. I assume it could be sitting somewhere here, and I can share the next video as the setup on software. The whole guiding and software and documentation, by the way, could be found on PX4 Autopilot documentations, and you can have a quick start guide and how to set up your Pixhawk in addition to your compute module and your let's say companion computer. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.